How to start a maid service. With the residential and commercial cleaning industry generating more than $78 billion in revenue each year, you might consider starting a maid service of your own. 1. You will have control over the number of hours that you work and will be able to decide which clients you take on. If you own your own business, you will also get to decide who to hire as your employees and how to brand your business to the community. With some time, money, and preparation, you can have a successful career running a maid service. Designing a business plan. Decide if you want to run your own business. Owning a maid service requires much more thought and planning than just buying some cleaning supplies. Designing a business plan will help you think of all the different steps you should take to build a strong foundation for your business. If you have other major demands on your time, such as caring for a sick relative or going to school part-time, you might want to consider if this is the best time to start your own business. Although the cleaning industry generally has low startup costs, you will still need a minimum of $5,000 to purchase equipment and insurance, hire a lawyer to protect your legal interests, and get an accountant to run your payroll division and sort out your taxes, too. Define your budget. 1. The key components of your business plan is your budget, or the amount of money you have to invest in your business. This will often determine the scope of your business plan, how many employees you plan to take on, etc. Do you have the money to spend on the massive amount of cleaning products that a large office building will require, or are you intending to work out of a smaller, private home? Your budget may also help determine if you will join a cleaning franchise like Molly Maids, Mary Maids or Vanguard Cleaning Systems. Franchises often require expensive joining fees, usually between $30,000 to $50,000, but they also help cover some structural needs like marketing, employee training, support for franchise owners, etc. 3. Write down your unique selling point. It is likely that you won't be the only maid service available in your area. What do you offer that no one else does? Why should your clients pick you over your competitors? For example, will you offer eco-friendly cleaning supplies? Will you offer carpet or rug cleaning services? Do you offer hours on the weekends or evenings? Write down 3 or 4 words that will define the core values of your brand. What 3 words do you want your customers to remember when they think of you? Some key words might be loyalty, trust, care, reliability, spotless, pristine, etc. Define a customer service plan. So much of the cleaning industry is based on customer service. If your clients don't trust you, they won't feel comfortable allowing you into their homes. Consider special incentives you can offer to your most loyal clients. You could start a referral program where your clients get 10% off if they refer your services to a friend or family member. 6. Set your price. Your price should be competitive enough that you won't lose potential clients, but high enough that you can still make a profit. Charge by the hour. Some cleaning services change by the hour. The national average for house cleaners is $14 per hour, but cleaners in large cities average prices between $18–20 per hours. You might find this is the best route to go when you have new clients and don't know how long it will take to complete a project. 8. Charge by the room or square footage. You might also consider charging by the physical amount of space in the home or office. If you have a very large home to cover, like a vacation home that needs to be prepared after months of being unoccupied, this might be the smartest method to choose. Set a flat rate. Many cleaning services also just set one flat rate for each visit, especially if they clean the house more than once a month. If you clean weekly, or even multiple times a week, you will find that charging a flat rate will be more effective than charging by the hour. However, if you only clean for the client once a month or less frequently, then you will have more work to do. 9. You should factor in other things to your fee, such as the cost of transportation to different clients' homes and the cost of repurchasing cleaning supplies and appliances like vacuums or carpet cleaners. You should also have a clear billing system in place. If you are working through a franchise like Mary Maids, it is likely they will have a system put into place already. But if you are working independently, you should decide if you are going to have an invoice system where you send your customer a bill, if you will accept checks or credit cards on the spot, or if you will take payment at the beginning or end of the month. 10.